everyone, this is the Besh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I am here with lecture number 23. Lecture number 23 is about the sixth type of grammar. What is that? This is universal grammar. Universal grammar, the credit of universal grammar goes to Noam Chomsky, a famous American linguist. He defines universal grammar in this way that every language has the same laws. For example, in very easy terms, I want to say there is a word which is called noun. I know that there are three languages, for example, Pashto, Urdu, English. I understand that in Pashto we also have noun. There is a name used by a Pashto speaker in Pashto. There is a name used by Urdu speaker in Urdu, and there is a name used by English speaker in English. And 3 by 3 names, they are called nouns. It means that the feature of noun as a grammatical term is not only available in English, but it is also there in Urdu, it is also there in Pashto, even in some other languages. Suppose, let me give you another example. We say that there is an adjective. This adjective is not only available in Pashto, but it is also available in Urdu and it is also available in English. Therefore, we say that each language has some same laws. For example, there are various structures, but we understand that if there is a sentence and that is affirmative in meaning, changing this affirmative into negative, there are languages that there are some certain rules that changing from positive into negative, these rules are the same. Such is called universal grammar, because universal grammar, some features of languages, they are the same. Therefore, we call it universal grammar. The use of nouns, the use of adjectives, etc. They are the same in languages. Such is called universal grammar. Second point, each and every baby, when he is born or when she is born, there are some innate rules that they are already in the mind of that very baby. This shows that universally all languages are the same in the mind of the baby, because each and every baby is born with a mind, and that mind has a chip. That chip is the same in each and every baby. Therefore, universally the babies are the same. So the grammar which is already there, the competence of that is already there. Such is called universal grammar. Thank you all.